Good afternoon, my name is Neidin Igiret Porras Gutierrez. In this opportunity, I will explain about the correct use of the technology in the classroom. The correct use of the technology in the classroom is very important since it allows us to innovate in a positive way when teaching a subject. It is important to always know the needs of our students, how to innovate and take risks with technology. For example, the use of application to the topics, carry out playful plays with karaoke, present projections of the term in internet, blogs, use module tools in class, for example, Edmodo. The videos observed leave us with the main idea that the correct use of the technology will generate a high impact on student learning. Since currently most things are done thanks to it, days of shares for information and makes class not monotonous. The videos teach us that technology is advancing so fast today that it's necessary to implement pedagogical models that are consistent with the technology and insofar as humans' behavior can lead to the great discoveries that can be used even in science and learning. The suggestions to improve the use of the tech is always to innovate, create new playful teaching methods for the topics of each class. The teacher could improve the use of these tools through tutorials on YouTube, always investigate the use of the technology and play it to students, and always is innovate. Thank you very much. Bye bye.